In this video we will learn how to install Apache web server and PHP, MySQL and other things. We are using XAMPP for Windows 8 system, that can be for used on Windows and other systems like Linux, Mac OS. It is available for all. You can search XAMPP download on Google and use any of these tooling, and just come here and download this. Okay, now you can download any version from here, and installer, you can download installer. Just save it. Okay. Save it. I already have this version, webpage, not this new version. So once you download it, go to this folder. It will take time to download, and just follow the instruction, and you will it will be installed on your screen. So one thing you have to manage, check is while you are starting this XAMPP server, if your Skype is working on, and you have to quit Skype, because of Skype also use port 80, and that's how your Apache might not work or not start. So that is the only thing that you have to take care of. So before starting XAMPP, just quit Skype application or any application which is using port at 80. So keep this in mind. And how to start developing on this server, you have to go to your folders, like this will be on C drive. You will see XAMPP. Go to there, and then you will find htdocs, and create here any folder, any name, like this I am giving it test. Okay, now test. In this you can create an HTML file. Now here I will create a HTML file. I know we don't I am not using any other tags, just for the test. Page, and save it. Here we will save it. We will save it htdocs test. Save it. Now if we go to our this localhost test, now you see this is working. So that's how you will install it, Apache XAMPP. I didn't show how the due process after downloading this file. It will take time, so I'm not working on it, but it will be simple and easy. Only you have to take care is that your Skype is not working, or any application which use port 80. If it will be there, then this will not work. Like you can see the option Apache, both are working, MySQL. So that's in next video you can learn how to install WordPress on this server.